2 or 6-inch non-stick springform pan with removable bottom, leak-proof cheesecake pan with 50 PCS parchment paper, compatible with 3QT Instant Pot. Healthy coating. Our non-stick coating is a food-grade safety coating with no harsh chemicals or hazardous substances. The true double-layer coating allows the cake be easily removed without damage. Avoid making it difficult to clean the cake because it sticks to the pan or leaves a lot of cake residue. The stainless springform buckle provides smooth, easy release. The stainless steel springform buckle has been upgraded, which is stronger and easier to switch but will not fall off or crack, allowing the cake to be pulled out perfectly with little effort. Include 50 pieces of parchment paper. If you are a fan of traditional baking, congratulations, the parchment paper will bring back the traditional baking experience. To prevent the cake from sticking to the chassis, combine with other designs to remove the perfect cake while also sucking away excess oil. Less oil means less fat and better health. Oven safe up to 450. The premium material allows the pan to heat up quickly and evenly during the heating process on the stove or in the oven. With a heat resistance of up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, the food can be baked safely and presents a perfect look, making it your favorite baking tool. Now this is the proven choice in restaurant and bakery kitchens and is also the best gadget for desserts and food. If you love baking stuff like cheesecake, yogurt cake, mousse, coffee cake, lasagna, quiche, paella, cookies, fruit pie, pecan pie and any similar recipe. And it also makes a great and practical gift for your friends. Hand wash recommended. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.